So another super important thing I want to add is actually in the WordPress settings. If you work, so to speak, with posts, that when you install it at the beginning, there is either usually month, name, and date in the permalinks, so in the URL structures, but you want to make sure that you only have actually the post name in your settings saved. So this is very important. Remember when I said like you create a blog post and then you see also the category / so to speak in the permalink, we remove this, right? Keep that in mind when you go back here in the SEO settings. And it was, I guess, in the search appearance. And when you scroll down here, category URLs, we remove that, right? So keep that in mind. And don't forget under settings and permalinks, you also want to make sure that you have a nice format, because it wouldn't make sense if you have in the URL like a date and a day and like, you know, that's just not a nice structure. So you want to have a blog post that's called, let's say, purpose.marketing, and then the name of this blog post is maybe how to set up the web console in Google or whatever, and that's about it. If you would have this month and name, then you have this number before. This is even more crazy because then you have day and name. So you have like the date here and then comes the post name in the URL. That makes it super long. So this is the shortest version, and that's what I prefer. So let's please make sure you consider that in the settings and check it under settings, permalinks, post name is checked and saved.